I'm Jade.
And I'm Lily.
And we spy on the world.
We don't spy on people, but we spy on nature.
Your first task is to go down to the creek and see what the water has done in the winter.
Okay, we can do that, manager. Let's go. Seems to be ice cold. Ah, that's ice cold! Our boss will be proud of the work we've done. From our last task, and now we're waiting to see what Master tells us now.
Your next task is to find a bush with a letter in it that will lead you to something valuable.
Maybe it's in this spot. Come on, let's go look. There it is, there it is. I see it.
What does it say?
I don't know. It's a map.
Oh my goodness, come on, let's go look.
We're gonna take the map and follow the tracks. Okay, look, here's the gate. Okay.
Look, here's the curved path.
Okay.
And then we go around this way.
Holly. What's that? You found the first treasure. I can see what it is.
Oh
What is this? Why would he give us this? It's like pixie dust. It's like, but a necklace though. And it's in this really pretty box. Let's put it back in to keep it safe. And carry it around. Let's keep on going.
The map says to go forward. Come on, let's look around this tree. It says it's at a tree.
What's in the middle there?
What is this?
Okay, I'm gonna open it. Oh my gosh, it's a diamond bracelet.
Oh my gosh.
How? Why would he give us this?
Why would he give us that pixie necklace?
I don't know.
Let's go back to our master.
Okay, we finished our second task. What's our last task, Master?
Your last task is to find a tree with leaves on it of color. Pick a leaf and bring it back and we'll find out what color it is.
Jude, I found one!
You did? Where?
Look. Let's both pick one.
Got one. They're mini leaves though, but they're still color. That was oddly simple.
I really think it was. We've got our leaves, Master.
Congratulations on completing all 3 tasks. Report back tomorrow for new ones.